Yeah, that's great. I love it. And is there anything maybe on the make side you wanted to share or add in on that?
Yeah, the make side for me personally was really realizing what I had preached before about pursuing your passion. I had a career where I had made a big step into the fantastically lucrative, very big, multi-billion dollar company, and I didn't enjoy it. I had uh, uh, thought that was something that I wanted, but I realized this is not what I like. And I followed my own advice, got out of that, and moved to a different, set a different goal for myself and achieved it. And I'm far happier for it. So I was fully qualified for it. It had been a dream. I achieved it and was not happy and was willing to face that and say there must be something else, and very quickly adjusted. So um, and absolutely no regrets ever with most of the decisions that I made, but definitely it can be hard for many people to have been on a path and they think that's the path that they wanted, but if it's not bringing you true joy, just abandon it. It is the best advice that I could give to anyone.